Here's his BDP
It's a carrier.
or carrier heat pump.
Alright.
Actually,
That is a car lock compressor.
yeah.
Tag down there.
And there's the reversing valve.
1989.
Down there, I don't think you can see it. A little bit dark.
I think it's a 2.5 ton. Also York Tombstone over there.
And that is a 2-ton from 89, I believe. And then there's a York Tombstone over here.
This is all disconnected.
Yeah, it's done for.
That OxBox is gonna replace it. Take it home.
Yeah, good luck getting this into your car. Your little smart car.
Could probably do it.
There's no way this thing's fitting in the back seat.
Right.
Rusted to hell capacitor. Wonder if this thing still has data.
It's not working. I checked.
Of course it's not.
Here we have a York Tombstone.
And then an OxBox would probably replace that Tombstone. This one is also a heat pump. And there's your data. I don't think either of these have been running. And that's how you know it's not original. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.